To spike in Wichita County. 4 more deaths are reported just today. Local health officials are becoming increasingly alarmed about the amount of cases the county could see by the end of the year. PJ Green heard the report at this morning's city council meeting. So PJ, just how many more cases are they projecting?
Well, their Director of Public Health, Luke Kreitler, says by looking at this current trend, the county could have over 1,300 cases per week by the end of the year. Now, Kreitler also says that puts even more strain on area hospitals, which are already in a state of emergency.
COVID-19 is worse, much worse possibly, than swine flu, H1N1, anything we've seen in our lifetimes. Is that correct?
It is absolutely worse than anything we've seen in our lifetime.
According to Director of Public Health, Luke Kreitler, Wichita County is averaging a little over 800 cases per week. With only 302 cases reported from Thanksgiving weekend, some may see that as a bright spot. But with a 42% positivity rate and 9 deaths reported from that time, Kreitler says the worst may be yet to come.
I had one case manager yesterday who received 13 cases, 10 of those involved in exposure at Thanksgiving. What I expect to see by the end of this week is a large uptick in cases from our Thanksgiving exposure.
We're already in this huge peak for us, and then you overlay Thanksgiving, and it's not just the holidays, it's all the things in between. And it's kind of like a spike within a spike, and that's what's most concerning is the closeness of the holidays together.
Fagan's projection shows the county's best case scenario would be over 900 cases per week by the end of the year, but worst case scenario would be over 1,300 cases per week. With Fagan's projections also showing 120 hospitalizations by the end of the year, there is also major concern for area hospitals.
The challenge becomes when those, not only are the beds available, the resources available for those people in the beds, but the people who take care of people. We have to make sure that we're doing everything we can to make sure those healthcare workers can staff those beds.
This is real. The number of hospitalizations each day represent individuals who are someone's mother, father, brother, sister, aunt, uncle. For them, this is real.
As COVID-19 surges in Wichita County, health officials warn the public of the dangers that have yet to come. Now, just like with Thanksgiving and other holidays, Fagan and Kreitler are urging the public to celebrate Christmas differently as well.
Okay, PJ, thank you very much.